Over 154,000 people in Wales volunteer in health, disability and social welfare organisations every year. That's 6% of us. There are over 1,000 charities working to improve health and well-being or save lives. You'll find volunteers in lots of places, from providing care in the home and community, to GP surgeries and hospitals, care homes and end-of-life care. During the coronavirus pandemic, many thousands of people have volunteered to help their communities by delivering shopping or prescriptions and keeping in touch with those who are alone, vulnerable or shielding. Volunteers do lots of other things that might surprise you. There are many more health and care organisations which rely on volunteers than we can name here. But here are a few you may have heard of. Volunteering can help you to gain confidence, learn new skills, meet new people, feel part of a community. A Healthier Wales is the Welsh Government's plan to make health and social care services fit for the future. Volunteers play a crucial role in this, so we wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who's helping us make a healthier Wales. If you're interested in volunteering, visit volunteering-wales.net.